Why we feel stressed and how to end it completely. This video discusses the human psychology. Sometimes life gets heavy, the mind feels full, the heart feels tight, everything looks overwhelming. But today, this video will give you one truth that can change everything. And at the end of this video, you will get a complete method to control stress and end it from your life. A simple method, a powerful method, and a method that actually works. But first, we must understand one thing. Why do we feel stress? Number one, what is stress? Imagine you are walking alone in the dark. You hear a sound, your heart starts racing, your body becomes alert. This is stress. Stress is not a feeling, stress is your brain's alarm system, a survival reaction. Thousands of years ago, this alarm saved humans from danger. Today, the danger is not a lion, it is bills, deadlines, relationship pressure, overthinking, comparison, fear of the future. Your brain treats all these things like real physical danger. That's why stress activates. When you listen and come across the stress, the question raised, why do we feel so much stress? We will try to disclose this tangled issue via 5 points in this video. Point 1. Overthinking. The mind creates the worst story first. Small problems look big. Fear grows fast. Point 2. Lack of control. When things go out of our hands, the brain panics. It sees danger, past pain, old wounds shape new stress. Old fear makes new situation look scary. Too many responsibilities. When life is full of weight, even small things feel heavy. Point 5. Comparison. Social media destroys peace quietly. Everyone looks happy. You feel left behind. Stress increases. Section 3. What stress does to the brain. Stress changes how your brain works. Focus drops, patience breaks, sleep gets disturbed, heart feels tight, decision become weak, mood becomes unstable. You feel like you are losing control, but you are not weak. Your brain is tired, and tired brains can be healed. Section 4. How to end stress completely. We'll discuss it in 3-step method. This is the part I promised you, a 3-step psychological method used by top therapists. Follow this and you can control stress anytime. Step 1. Observe the stress. Say in your mind, I am stressed, but this feeling will not stay forever. This one sentence reduces the brain alarm immediately. Step 2. Body reset. Take deep breaths for 2 minutes. Slow inhale, slow exhale. This lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. The brain feels safe again. Step 3. Release the emotions. Stress stays inside until you let it out. Write your feelings, talk to someone, or sit alone and breathe deeply. Just 5 minutes of release cuts stress in half. Final message. Stress is not a weakness. It is your brain trying to protect you. But sometimes the protection becomes too much. The good news is stress can end, stress can be controlled, stress can be healed, and you can live with peace again. You are not broken, you are just tired, and tired minds always heal when they use the right method. If you find this message valuable, like the video and subscribe the channel to get the solution of more psychological issues. I am Mr. Hussain. I'll see you in the next video.